Hello, what's going on again, everybody? Yesterday I was working on the RV. Got a little more work done. Got the overhead ceiling. All of the main panels, they are now in. And I'll show you what I'm talking about. Looks pretty good. I mean, you still see all the screw holes, the screws, but without gluing panels, that was the only option. Now that's done, I added this panel right here and a little panel right there. And today what I'm going to do is I'm going to do all the trim around all the edges and then across where each panel meets. And I had a little bit extra left over. So yesterday, I also did a little panel right there in the bathroom. And that panel, it was basically, I had pulled it off. All the paper, wallpaper and everything was real loose. So I just pulled it off and stuck that in there. But yeah, so now I'm going to get this trim up. And then the ceiling will be pretty much complete besides painting. So I'll get started with that. Okay, so yesterday I finished the ceiling project. As you just saw, some of the work being done from the GoPro footage. I thought I'd use a good camera to show you how the ceiling came out. I think it came out pretty good. I mean, with the exception of seeing the screws, but what can you do? I put caulking in around all the cracks so it fills in all the gap and you can't see it now. Because a lot of these, the trim was going over the screws. So it was putting a little wave in the trim and it was leaving a gap. But that was the only spot I could put the screws because that's where the frame was. But what I'm going to do next on the ceiling, which will be later on, I'm not in any rush to do it, but what I will do is I'll end up painting the whole ceiling, even the original, and I will use like a roller that has a texture to it that will put a texture to the whole ceiling, and hopefully it'll blend the new ceiling in with the old a little better than what it is now. Again, the only thing is you'll see the actual screws, but it'll be painted over, so who knows. It looks a lot better. And I had to glue in some of the original trim back in and around the bathroom wall. I was going to use that style trim for the bathroom, but it was going to, one, it wouldn't make those sharp of a bend, and I didn't want to have to do all the extra cutting, and I didn't have enough to go through the whole bathroom. But yeah, so that works. But I think it came out looking pretty good. And now the next project is to continue working, getting these marker lights on. I think I found a solution. I've already ordered some lights. We will see how it works. It's not going to be, it may just be temporarily until I can figure something out more permanent, or these may end up working pretty good. But one of the sets, the rear marker lights, should be in tomorrow, and the front one should be in, I think, Monday or Tuesday. So pretty excited to get those up, and basically I just want to get them up to so I can have the thing legal and be able to drive it. So yeah, we'll see how that works. I ended up getting 40 lights for, it's like $25. So I'll have a ton of extras to maybe put along the side, put in places to help make the RV a little easier seen. So it doesn't have any marker lights up on the top in the corners, so I may put one up there, and so who knows. But as soon as they come in, I'll show you all what it is and see if it'll work. But yeah, the ceiling is now complete, so that's a big plus. And as always, thanks for watching, and feel free to hit that subscribe and like button. Thanks for watching, everybody.